welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a recipe for sweet and sour pineapple chicken. This is well requested, so let's get started. Here I have the chicken already well seasoned, and I'll be using some pineapple juice, pineapple chunks, soy sauce, ketchup, cornstarch, some apple cider vinegar, and some brown sugar. So today I'll be using some leg quarters and chicken wings. I did prep and washed it ahead of time. I put some incisions inside of the thigh so that the seasonings can penetrate. Here I'll be using some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, seasoned salt, paprika, black pepper. I have some mustard and some fresh green seasoning here. So basically you just want to combine all of the ingredients. I will put 3 heaping tablespoons of green seasoning here, and I will leave the link to the green seasoning for those that are interested. We will mix well, and this is what we will use to marinate our chicken. So now you want to add the marinade to the chicken and get in there with your hands and make sure that that chicken is nicely coated with the marinade. Massage it in really well, and then we'll cover this and allow it to rest for about 4 hours. If you have time and you can let this sit overnight, that would be best. But you know, I didn't have the time today, so I allow it to rest for about 4 hours, and then I will show you all the next step. So while the chicken is marinating, let's make our sweet and sour pineapple glaze. To a pot, I will add the pineapple juice and the pineapple chunks. Basically, we're adding all the ingredients except the cornstarch. We'll mix well and allow it to go for about 3 minutes so that everything can marry well and just be nicely combined. So I tasted this and it felt like it needed something else. And that something was a spicy little kick. So here I'll be adding some sriracha sauce, about a teaspoon or so, not much, and we'll give this a good mix and allow it to simmer some more. Then we'll go in with our cornstarch slurry. We'll give that a stir and allow it to thicken. Once it thickens, that's it. Our sauce is done. We can turn the heat off and set this aside until we're ready for it later. So today I'll be using this large baking dish, and to that I'll be adding some of that sauce down at the bottom because we will not be flipping the chicken. So this is a great way to allow the chicken to get those flavors without having to flip it. And what I'll do is add all of the pineapple chunks into the pan so it can cook with the chicken, but I'll leave back some of the sauce for later. The actual sauce, we will save some of that for later. So once we've added that, we will go in with the chicken. We'll add the chicken at the bottom of the pan, and then we will cover this and place it in a 375-degree oven for 1 hour. Then I'll show you all the next step. So after about an hour, you want to remove your foil wrap, and then we'll baste the chicken with some of that sauce. You want to baste it well, then we'll place it back into the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll baste the chicken one last time, then place it back into the oven for an additional 30 minutes. The last 5 minutes, you want to set your oven on broil for it to get that nice golden brown color. After about 2 hours, our sweet and sour pineapple chicken is finally done. It smells absolutely amazing. Now we'll garnish with some fresh parsley. And that's it, guys. This is my version of sweet and sour pineapple chicken. It is perfect for the holidays. If you're planning on doing chicken, this is the one. Trust me. I did pair it up with some green beans, carrots, and some spinach rice. And trust me, it was absolutely divine. The chicken was so tender, moist, and just falling off the bone. I just went in with my fork, and as you can see, the chicken is just coming apart. Perfect, perfect. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for your girl. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.